Well, good afternoon, everyone. Meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with SouthernIndianaWeather.com. Thanks for logging on for a very quick forecast update here for you. Winter storm watch warning, I should say, and winter weather advisories are in effect for the area. You can see a big mess of snow headed our way tonight, folks. Really, you can see it just stretching for hundreds of miles down through here, and all this, folks, that is headed our way tonight, and several inches of accumulation are on the way. Let's dive right in. We're sponsored tonight by Metal Magic in Washington. You can give Chad a call at 698-8555 for all of your paintless tint repair needs, and be sure to tell them that Southern Indiana Weather sent you. As I overlay here on the surface map, folks, as I scroll out down here a little bit, you can see already there's the surface low starting to form. Just down to our south, this surface low is eventually going to track sort of in a direction up like this, and essentially what you're going to have is this here system and this here system meeting up. Once they phase together, and well, that's a lot of drawings here, but folks, we're going to be under the bullseye. Short, sweet, and to the point, we're going to be under the bullseye for some snow tonight. Winter storm warnings are now in effect for counties shaded here in pink. Winter weather advisories for the rest of us, and this is in effect through this from these evening hours all the way through the early morning hours tomorrow. All right, let's sort of time this out just a little bit here. Here is the high resolution GFS model, and here we are, folks. This is by 7 o'clock tonight. You can see a little bit of those snow showers still extending back into Texas. That really starts kicking in here is 1 a.m. You can start to see that low pressure tracking up more towards us, and then very quickly it is a very fast moving low pressure in it by 7 a.m. We're still under the snow threat before it starts to move out by 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So a few snow showers around possibly early tomorrow morning as well, but it looks mostly like an overnight event for us, folks. We can take a look at it on the high resolution NAM future radar, and you can see there's the current snow band that we're in right now. Moving up to our north, a little bit of rain to our south, but you can see there that snow starts to fill in as we go in. Here into the overnight hours, it essentially stays all snow, and a fairly good little amount of snow for us before it moves out during the morning hours. How much snow can we expect? Well, the Storm Prediction Center, the Weather Prediction Center, I'm used to saying the Storm Prediction Center due to is for thunderstorms, but the Weather Prediction Center, the WPC, has issued a slight risk here in blue, moderate risk here in green, and high risk here in the red, and this is for at least 4 inches or more of accumulating snow. And you can see all of us are in the risk zone here. It looks like we got a decent chance tonight to see some pretty decent accumulations. Depending on what model you look at, folks, is going to depend. The new high resolution GFS puts about 4 inches here close to the Ohio River, around 4 to 5 inches, and then really 2 to 3 inches area wide beyond that. High resolution NAM thinks even 5 and 6 inch pockets are certainly likely around the area. That could be overdoing it. Maybe not. We'll have to see. And then the Euro model takes about another 4 inch swath or so here along the river as well, and a 2 to 4 inch snow total area wide, folks. So no matter what model you believe here, folks, all three of these models are staying pretty significant accumulations. Here's my official forecast. I think 2 to 4 inches is a pretty good call area wide for us tonight. 1 to 3 inches here in the south of us, or in Kentucky, and trace to 1 inch further down there. But everything really here in this dashed red line is where I believe the heaviest snow is going to fall tonight, and I believe some localized 4+ inches, localized 4+ inch totals are certainly possible. I wouldn't be surprised to see some 4 to 6 inch totals in that dashed red area around. Either way, folks, it's going to be a mess, so you can plan on a messy Monday morning commute for us, and you can also plan on, I would just about bank on some school closings and delays in the area tomorrow from the way things are going to go. Give yourself some extra time tomorrow morning and delay your traveling into work and school if you possibly can. Folks, it's going to be a downright nasty commute. And beyond this, folks, it's going to be just downright cold, too. As we go ahead and take a look at your forecast here, 10-day forecast, SouthernIndianaWeather.com, folks. We've already reached our high for the day. We're already starting to fall, but we're going to go down to about 27 by morning. Again, light snow likely after dark. Might mix in with a little bit of sleet, but I'm not expecting really any decent amounts of ice accumulation here with it. Just maybe some brief sleet as it changes over. But in general, a 2 to 4 inch accumulation area wide with localized higher amounts, folks. Tomorrow is not going to be a pretty day either. Once we get past that, folks, temperatures are going to fall slowly during the afternoon hours. And look at the low tomorrow night. Single digits around the area are most certainly possible. A few flurries around early in the morning, but falling temperatures otherwise. Beautiful day, sunshine-wise, shaping up on Tuesday, but only a high of 24. Start the warming trend after that as we go back up into the 30s and then the 40s with some rain for you by the weekend. That'll be a big change. But then as you end the 10-day, folks, we get another big system coming in that could crash us down to the 30s with some more snow showers. Accumulation with this, stay tuned. It's a little too early to tell. But right now, what we know we can focus on right now is a pretty big system tonight that is going to give us some decent amounts of accumulations, folks. So just be careful out there tomorrow morning when you have to travel. That is it for this video update, folks. I'm meteorologist Michael Wilhite with SouthernIndianaWeather.com. Have a great night, folks. Stay safe and keep it tuned right here to Southern Indiana Weather throughout the evening for updates.